guys, this is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel DLayavi. Watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even attempt to watch this video. Hi, hello, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a Tamil beauty blogger and I usually create content that's revolving around makeup tutorials, beauty product reviews, and sometimes lifestyle curated content. So if you'd like to see more content from me, then all that will be needed from your end is to click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it just so that you'll be staying updated on my new videos that go up on my channel. Today's video is going to be a product review, and because the heat is on, I want to speak about a sun protection product that I've been trying out for at least about slightly less than 10 days. So this product is a instant like for me, and that's the reason why I did not want to wait for about 30 days for me to test out and really have a good feel of the product, because I feel like the product is saying so much for itself, and this is how my face actually looks like. I'm pretty excited. That's why I wanted to share with you the product that I'm going to be reviewing with you today. Drum roll please. And today I'm going to be speaking to you about this Innisfree Intensive Anti-Pollution Sunscreen, and it contains SPF 50 of PA+++. Feel like for me it's a safe bet because I don't have to worry about layering on top of another product that has SPF, so I know that this product works just one step SPF sunscreen protection. I actually came across this product on Innisfree's Instagram page, and they actually have this new range. At least this is new to me, and I decided to just go into their stores and have a quick sniff at it and see if it really catches my fancy or not. So I picked up my Intensive Anti-Pollution Sunscreen from the Innisfree Natural Benefits from Jeju. I got this from North Point, and this retails for $25, and it contains 50 milliliters of its product, which is quite box standard. Yeah, $25 for an SPF that contains SPF 50 plus PA+++. It's supposed to be water resistant, and it does state at the back of the packaging that if you're going to do not stay too long in the sun even while using a sunscreen product, which is good, which we always have to remember. And it contains, like I've mentioned, if I have not already, it contains 50 milliliters of its product, and you're supposed to use it up to 12 months from the time you start using this. And I instantly liked how the texture felt like when I was testing the product out. And the representative from Innisfree also mentioned that if I happen to have oily skin, which I do, they would recommend that I go for the water resistant type. And let me tell you, when I tested it out, I was so impressed, and I was really in a hurry, and I couldn't wait for it to come back home with me so that I could test it out. It's just a lazy thing that I do and I would just usually mix it with my foundation, and if especially I'm feeling extremely dry like a desert, I would just use a moisturizer. So I'll have a combination of 3 products, and because I can't wait for one of them to dry and then I apply one on top of the other, do you know how long probably will take, especially the humidity in the morning when the sun is coming up? It's really crazy, and waiting for each of the product to dry in between before I could layer the last product, and then on top goes the concealer and the powder. I'm usually done for because everyone is rushing. We don't have the luxury of time in the morning, especially if you have a very busy lifestyle and you have to get the whole household ready for work, and you know, like all those household mumbo jumbo. And if you happen to hear a dog barking in the background, that's my little doggy. With every increasing year, I feel like the heat and the humidity is just like leveling up onto a next whole other level. So please be sure to make sure that you protect your skin, whatever skin type you have, your skin concerns you have. Make sure that you apply sunscreen or sunblock wherever you are, wherever part of the world you're from. So typically I would only use these 3 products, these 3 as in like a foundation, a sunscreen, and a moisturizer. But with this product, I feel this is such a winner. Sometimes sunscreen tends to separate the oils from the day cream and the foundation. So when I'm applying a cocktail of a sunscreen, a moisturizer, and a foundation, like a tinted moisturizer, I feel like about 3 hours of wear, there's a lot of like separation that's happening because all of the 3 products are not in harmony, and it's really hard to find a good balance of how all 3 products work together. Upon testing the sunscreen out in store, I feel like this would be a huge hydrating factor, and I probably would not be needing a moisturizer with this. So I just mix a little bit whatever that's required from a sunscreen for my face, just like a pea size or slightly more than that, because of its moisturizing and hydrating content. And this is really good to go. It doesn't irritate my skin, it doesn't like break out my skin. I have not had a breakout For the past, I want to say I've been using this product about under 10 days. So usually for me, I have oily skin, and whenever I do tend to get a little bit of breakout from using a new product, it will just sensitize my skin to a whole other level, and there will be a lot of redness. But as you can see from this video, my skin is looking like somewhat really a little bit on the really good side of a oily skin type. And another thing that I've noticed, that when I am using this product alone, and this is a tried and tested, and I can put my word on it, that I feel for some reason there's some sort of like mattifying ingredient or property that doesn't irritate my oily skin and cause me to have any acne breakout. There is something in this product which I would get to the bottom of this, and I have grown used to the idea that my oily skin type will, no matter how much I try, it will still produce oils at some point of the day when I'm wearing makeup or no makeup, and that's that. But with this product, I feel like, when I am touching up, when I just do a little bit of blotting action with a blotting sheet, I notice that there's a significant amount of reduction. I'm going to be looking at the ingredients list, and the very first on the list, it's water. So it's water resistant, it contains water. It also contains sunflower seed oil. And another thing that you're supposed to do if you're trying a skincare product, especially a sunscreen like this one, you're supposed to immediately stop using in case of skin abnormalities after use, and always recap after use. Use as quickly as possible after opening, and you should never be staying too long in the sun even while using a sunscreen product. I also see that it contains dimethicone, salicylate. Salicylate is also quite good because it kind of tends to help. Perhaps that is one of the reasons why I feel like my skin has been getting a little bit of clarifying action, because I feel like a lot of the old acne spots, I feel like the scars are somewhat like, lightening up and going away very slowly but surely. And it also contains zinc oxide. Wow, it contains zinc oxide, and you should know, if you're someone of an oily skin type, zinc oxide is really good for unclogging pores. No, that's not what it does. It actually helps with the sebum, the oil sebum glands, and controls the oils. Like most physical sunscreens in the market that contains titanium dioxide, essentially what they do is they leave you with that pale, ghostly, not overcast, like that pale appearance from using the sunscreen. If you're someone who has oily skin type, you probably should definitely give this product a try, and let me know in the comment section if you have tried this product before and if you like it or not, and let me know what else you would like to see me make videos about on the YouTube platform. If you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so. All that will be needed is for you to click on the subscribe button right down this video, and make sure to click on the bell icon next to it, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this, product reviews like this, go up on my channel. I often do product reviews and makeup tutorials, so if this is your jam, make sure to click on the subscribe button, and I shall catch you very soon in my next week's video.